Hola people, Brisa here, aka the beauty plug, all that connects you to your beautiful. And listen, it's been a whole hot minute. Okay, I've been going for a minute, but I'm back with a remix. This is Body Splash Edition. I got some new body splashes, some from Sol de Janeiro, some from Bath and Body Works, and they're giving all the things. So if you're interested in finding out what body splashes I picked up, then come on now, you know what to do. Okay, y'all, so it's always been a trend, but now it's evolving and coming back a lot more. And I haven't seen y'all in a minute, first and foremost. So, hey y'all, hey. I'm filming this on a late night. I went out. Your girl is tired, okay? But I said I gotta bring y'all some stuff. I gotta bring stuff to the people. And I ain't wanna let this beat go to waste, okay? All right, in fact, I'm pulling a little lip for y'all. Shout out to Sephora. First of all, the Sephora Brilliant Sephora Lip Gloss collection. This is the color Money, honey. Let me tell you something. You see that? Do you see that? It's like and this camera is doing it no justice because it's like an iridescent chrome. My lips look like they're about to fall off. Like the camera does this nothing. It looks excellent in person. I have on Fenty's new foundation. I have on some Patrick Ta blush in the color. I'm giving y'all a rundown because I'm not putting all this in the description bar, okay? Patrick Ta blush in She's Giving. Let me show you what it's looking like on the camera. Beautiful, okay? And my Fenty foundation, because I went away a few weeks ago and I'm still tanned. I'm usually Fenty 385. Sometimes I could do 370. But this foundation, I'm 390. And this is the Soft Lit foundation. Love, love, love this. Now, honey, Sol de Janeiro released some new body splashes for summer exclusive to Sephora. Sephora had a sale on them. Well, Sephora had a release on the app. And I saw it and I was like, oh, I need to go. Because Sol de Janeiro's Cheirosa 40, I'm in love and been wearing it and wearing it and wearing it since I went away a few weeks ago. So they came out with 3 new summer editions. Bellos de Sol, Summer y Amor, y Charicocha Crush. Now, put a little flavor to it. Now, this first one, Bellos de Sol, or Bellos, whatever, it has notes of fresh peach, coconut milk, frangipani, and frangipani petals, okay? Now, if you like yum pistachio gelato, the way I love pistachio gelato and feel like it's a great summertime gourmand, this retails for $24, by the way, this size. And this is how many fluid ounces is this? I feel like this is I don't even say, honey. Oh, yeah. It's a 3 fluid ounce, so you can carry these on the plane. But if you like yum pistachio gelato, and even though pistachio's not in here, it's pear. But if you like something that's clean, fresh, but still gourmand, like that yum pistachio gelato vibe, you gonna like this, okay? So this girl is fresh. She's young. I don't want to say young in age. I would say youthful, because you could be youthful at any age, okay, baby? Okay? Because I'm the age I am, and I'm youthful. I'm gonna forever be a PYT. Okay? Anyway, so this, if you like that kind of scent profile, you're really gonna like this, because this is clean and gourmand, okay? Next, and one of these is my favorite, and I think that it's, okay, so I don't know if it's this one, but let me go in the order that I mentioned them. Summer y Amor. Now, Summer y Amor has notes of orange flower, creamy almond, and sun-kissed woods. Okay, now you know I love me a woody fragrance, okay? So I'm going to spray it in the cap, actually. Okay, so this gives the original Charosta 68. Oh, not 68, 62, because I'm thinking about, okay, I'll leave another 20, but the original, but you can get the orange flower a little bit more in this. But that almond, and I know in the original 62 it has pistachio, but this gives me the vibe of the original. It goes along that vibe, except you can smell it's a little bit more fruity, just a smidget more fruity. So if you like the original and you want something a little bit more fruity, then I would say that you are definitely going to appreciate this. Next one, and I feel like she's my favorite. She's one of my favorites. Now this one has, and so this is Carioca Crush. This one has notes of crisp pear, pink violet, and white cedarwood. And that's probably why I like this, because of the violet and the cedarwood. So if you like Charosta 40, hands down, is the best to me, okay? But Charosta 40 has that sweet, woody vibe. This also has a sweet, woody vibe. Yeah. This has a sweet, woody vibe, and this is a little bit more fruity than Charosta 40. Now, do you need to go out and buy these? Is it anything spectacular from the original line? Not necessarily. If you want something different, yes. I feel like young pistachio gelato lovers, you'll love this. If you love the original Charosta 62, you don't need this one. Okay, and if you like Charosta 40 but you want a little bit more fruitiness added onto it, then you may definitely appreciate this one. Okay, so that's on that. Now, Bath & Body Works has released 3 new body splashes for summer. Well, 4, and one of them I did not pick up because it's dragon fruit something. I'll post a photo of it, because that smell like another dupe for Baccarat, and quite frankly, I'm over it. Okay, so they also released Vacation Vibes. Now, when I first smelled this, first of all, this has whipped pistachio and amber in it. I said, and I'm sorry, whipped pistachio, sun-drenched jasmine, and praline amber. When I first smelled it, I was like, oh, young pistachio gelato. Then I smelled it a little bit more, and one of the associates said, everyone's saying that it smells like Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro Charosta 62. And let me tell you something. It does. If with this you get, if Charosta 62 and K. Ali Young Pistachio Gelato had a baby, here she go. So you can layer this with those two. The only thing is that it only comes in a shimmering body butter, and it comes in a shimmering body oil, body wash, and I believe a shimmering body spray splash. They did not come out with a lotion in this line. Not really sure. I mean, a body cream or lotion. Not really sure why they didn't do that, but that would, I would say, would be the downside. And then there's one more. It's in a yellow bottle that they came out with, and that smells like Soleil Blanc, and I'm quite frankly, I'm over that too. By Tom Ford, so it smells like that. Okay. Another one I picked up. I like it because it was released for 4th of July. It's called Firecracker Pop. And to be honest with you, I really bought this for my daughter. Okay. Because she got her own little collection that I spray her clothes with. Okay. This is giving the Firecracker Ice Pop. Like, you see the little ice pops on here? That's exactly what this smells like. It's fruity. It's fruity and fruity. This has notes of red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. For some reason on me, I smell watermelon, and I don't know why I'm smelling that, but that's what I smell. I definitely smell red cherry. It's definitely a gourmand scent. I actually smell something a little salty in it. I don't get citrus. I definitely get berry and cherry. I get watermelon, and I get something salty. Not really sure what that's about. But it's cute. It's fun. I don't know if I would want to smell like this every day. This is cute and fun. That's why I bought it for my daughter. And my daughter, she'll be 3. So that if you like smelling like a snack, gourmandy, candy, then you'll appreciate this. Last but not least, I did not get this recently. I've had this for some time now. And is it Diptyque? They have a fragrance, El Papua. Look at my previous video on the fragrance haul that I did from the Exotic Fragrance Incorporated oil store. And El Papua by Diptyque. They have a dupe at Bath & Body Works. And I didn't really put 2 and 2 together because I had this before I had the El Papua. And then when I'm smelling it, I'm like, wait a minute. And that is Musk No. 3 Mist at Bath & Body Works. Listen. This is Diptyque's Le Papua or Le whatever. Okay? That's this. That's what this is. Is giving that. And I did not pay no $16.95 for this. I think I got a free body splash up to 6, and this is what I got. So this was free for me. I've had this for a while and didn't put 2 and 2 together, and now, yes, it's a perfect, clean, crisp musk. It's a musk, but it's clean and crisp. And it says this has notes of musk, mimosa flower, and rice milk. And that's probably why I like it, because I love fragrances with mimosa in it as well. I can smell the rice flower. And that's one of the notes that's also in the Diptyque's Le Papua. But that's what I got. And that's basically about it. So I was trying to bring y'all some stuff, just a little content, a little wet your whistle content about some new splashes that I picked up. I picked up some new fragrances, and I'll talk about that in some other videos. I have a lot of content that I need to post. I've actually done the content but have not edited, so you guys please forgive me. Life has been life, and I've been taking care of a lot of different things. I have 2 businesses. I've been trying to take care of that, so forgive me, okay? But I still love you all, and I appreciate your support, and I ask that you continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you're notified. I try to post every Wednesday for What's New Wednesday, and that is me bringing you what's new to the market as far as fragrance or beauty is concerned, mostly fragrance, or what's new to my collection. And I'll let you know if it's a stay or a slay. So slay meaning that you're going to slay the competition, you smelling better than everybody, or stay as in it needs to stay in the store and you don't need to pick it up. Or a sway. It could go either or. Okay? So, once again, thank you for your support. And as always, stay elevated, stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay blessed.